In this video, I want to show you how to repair a cracked or nicked water hose, as well as how to use quick disconnects to potentially save both water and time. To start off with, I'm going to show how to repair a nick or cut in this. So this will have to be cut off completely and a new male end will have to be put on. So to do this, I'm going to start off by cutting it cleanly back from the cut. Put on the hose clamp first, then put on the barb end. That should be a nice snug fit. Push it all the way in, then push the hose clamp up to the edge, and then you could just screw it. Make sure it can't move, and that's all there is to repairing the hose right there. So this is just as good as new, and it shouldn't leak. Install the valve. All you do is screw it in. So I'm just going to screw in, make sure the seal is clean right here, and just turn it. You don't have to go too tight, it's compression fit, so the rim of this male end should push up against the rubber gasket and create a seal. Make sure this works smoothly. Now on the end of this, I'm going to install a female quick disconnect. So this end will screw right here. Same thing, you don't need to go too tight. It just compresses a rubber seal and creates a watertight joint. So this should still be able to move. So this is all there is on the hose end. You have the repaired end where there's a barb going in it and it's secured by a clamp right here. The male end of that screwed into the female end of the valve right here. And then the female quick disconnect screwed over the male end of the valve. Now you have a complete joint. You could even look down here and see the ball valve turning. And this is all you need for the water hose to work. Now for all the devices that you're going to connect to the water hose to be able to work with the quick disconnect, you have to install the male end of the quick disconnect in all of the devices. Here's just an example of a nozzle right here. So all you do is screw it in. You could use some channel locks just to go a tiny bit more. So I just did it hand tight, and I'm going to just do about an eighth of a rotation to snug it up. Now this is one complete set. Now to use the quick disconnect, all you do is press this down, press this in, release it, make sure it's secure, and the pressure from the water will push this up and create a nice seal between the brass fittings. And this is all that's needed to use a quick disconnect. So to remove it, just press that and pull your device out. Note, you don't want to let this just bang around to get all scratched up because this will start to leak if this machine finish is too rough to fit in the female end. Connect at the supply line. I'm first going to remove anything covering it. Then I'm going to remove the hose. This just unscrews typically. Then I'm going to install the female quick disconnect directly to the faucet. Turn it on, make sure it flows. Then I'm going to put the male end directly onto the hose. Now I'm going to install it and make sure it does not leak. If it does leak, you could just tighten a tiny bit more onto the hose, recheck it, make sure it doesn't leak again. Now going forward, to quickly remove the hose, all I need to do is to press the ring and pull the hose out, and then you could cover it with a frost protector. Thanks for watching.